Hello friends, welcome to PlusNik channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to export your videos in Premiere Pro for Instagram in the best quality and correct dimensions. And after that I will show you how to compress your videos to make them Instagram friendly. And as the next video, I will upload a video to teach you how to install Handbrake software. Now we are in Premiere Pro and this is the first step, and the second step is compressing the video to make it Instagram friendly and decrease the size of video. And as the first step, we will set settings, and we are starting from sequence settings. Click on sequence tab and choose sequence settings and set proper frame size 1080 for horizontal and 1350 for vertical, and the time base will be 25 fps, and then click OK. After that we will edit the video, and after editing we will export the video. To export video, go to File and Export Media. Here you can use my preset, which I put the link in description part of this video. You can upload the preset from here. You can choose and upload from here and click Open, or you can create your custom preset. If you want to make your own preset, choose custom here, and after that you will check these settings. Close export settings, and after that check dimensional video here. This will be 1080 for horizontal and 1350 for vertical, and frame rate will be 25. And after that, and in the bitrate settings, bitrate encoding will be VBR2 pass, and target bitrate and maximum bitrate will be 8 here. And after that go to Effects tab and come down here and check loudness normalization and choose ITU BS, and target loudness will be -14 and tolerance will be 0, and here true peak level will be -2. Okay. After that check if this use maximum render quality will be checked. Okay, check this and finish. You can export the video for your Instagram in the best quality and correct dimension. As the second step, we will compress the video to decrease the size of video and make it proper to Instagram. In the step of this tutorial, open the Handbrake software and put your video in the software to compress the video. Drag and drop your video here and make this change. Make very fast 1080p 30, and here check web optimized. Okay, and after that go to dimensions and check dimensions here to be correct, and after that go to video tab and make frame rate 25 or same as source, and after that choose your output source, for example desktop, and click on save. Then click on start encode, and the video will be automatically compressed. Here you can see the process. After finishing compressing video, you can compare the size of videos before and after compressing. For example, this one and the second is this. As you can see, this is very big difference between size of videos. Okay, that's all. In the future videos, I will teach you how to install Handbrake software. Please subscribe our channel to not to lose this video. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was useful for you, please like and subscribe our channel.